Hello everyone, for the Savior here. I have a dream about the Nephilim, and I would like to share for the Savior here. Before I have the dream, I kind of pray a lot, like kneeling down to God at 2 a.m. Then my back aches. My back hurts so much, so I decided to lay down. And I didn't know that I fall asleep. Then the Lord gave me a dream. It's like together with those people I didn't know. We were like in a vehicle. We were like heading to a place. I didn't know if we are in a mission. And it looked like a 4x4 vehicle because I'm on the back. And it's really like the place is or the street is really like slippery, like we were going up in the mountain or something like that. And it's really slippery because I see mud. And as we are heading to that place, it's kind of like difficult to go there. But we're able to get in that. We're able to head to that place. Then the scene switch into another scene. I saw like I was inside look like a Chinese store or drugstore. I do not know what it's called. It looked like a Korean or Chinese or Taiwanese because they are the same, like similar faces. And I asked the lady. I said I'm trying to find like something for my back because it hurts, and like a pain reliever or something like that. And she said like this. She had me into an area and there are items there. And she said she grabbed one item and she said like it was sealed in a cellophane. It is liquid, and she said like this is very effective for your back pain. And then I said I cannot buy that because it's expensive, I said. Then she hid me into another type of medicine. It looked like similar of Becrab, something like that. Like it has mint. And I don't know what happened in the dream, but I able to put like pour water on it. I do not know why, or accidentally pour water in it. So I decided not to buy it. But I messed with the store, and I'm trying to. I think I'm trying to hurry up, to stay away from the store because I've done something. I don't know why there's water. I put water in it. But I end up going out of the store. The scene then is it changed, or as I go out of that store, the appearance of the place is beautiful. Like it looks like a plaza, or plaza with or big plaza. It has nature, it has trees, like benches, something like that, and it's really pretty looking. I saw then as I was like walking on the street, I saw different types of people looking like people, they are in a form of people, but you can see here like they look awful, but in the dream they are looking good. They look like this. They have the same face to what I saw in the dream. Some were smaller. The average type of a man is really small, as you can see here, because it's really being shown in my dream as well. And I saw also like in 12 something like like inch, 12 inches or something like the second part of Nephilim. I saw some like taller, and the tallest is the giant. But their face is really prettier. Their face are all handsome. Like I was walking on that place, and I didn't know. I think they didn't notice me or something like that. But I was looking at them in different sizes. There are taller and the tallest. and they're what they are wearing, it looks like this really of what I saw in the dream, but the other were so huge, like so big, and they have also like a handsome face, and they have like thin body, but they are Nephilim. As I was walking and I saw those types of different types of different sizes, form, but their faces are similar to this. You know, they are Nephilim, the hybrid. They were like the sons and daughters of the fallen angel, and I saw them in the dream. I was walking the street, and it is wide. And as I was heading, like in the dream, it says I was heading home. At the end of the street, I saw, as I've said, I saw different types, like even women. But I saw more of men, like their faces are this similar to them. They are really like looking handsome. And I saw in the particular place, I said to the one that I was with someone, and I didn't notice that that person is my friend Jelisa in my dream. But we were like, you know, like we're trying to hide or something like that, that we should not be caught. I saw this group also, like at the end of that street, I saw this group standing or in that portion of a place. They were like there. And I said to my friend, they were demons, I said. And I told my friend, we need to hide and we need to head into another direction because they might caught us. So that portion that we were heading is like straight, but then there's a little lane like going into another direction in the right portion. So we head, and my friend we go to that direction in the right portion, you know, to stay away from this demon in my dream. Then I saw like it changes. There is a scene that I cannot understand in the dream that my sister said, like it looks like we went into a cabin or something like that in that particular place. It looks like a cabin, and she explained to me example about the cat form cat. Sometimes they were demons, and they are fed with different types of food. She explained something to me. It looks like a fujibar form in my dream, but I didn't understand in that portion. But I think she explained to me that some, of course, you know, the animals were can imitate it. Of course, animals can be imitated by the enemies or demons. She something like explained to me, and at the end, we're able to head of this place. Me and my friend, like looks like a transportation, like we are going about to go home. But I said I'm gonna go into that vehicle. I told my friend that I'm gonna go to that vehicle because it's the way going home. And she said like I will be left here, like I'm gonna wait for another vehicle like going straight or something like that. But she didn't go along with me. But in the dream, I tried my best to make it home. I went into that vehicle and didn't notice me. I saw like there's like a checkpoint, like at far. Like I think they are checking if there are humans or something like that, because I think that place where the film place. But in the dream, we were like there, be able to get there, and I able to get out of that place. So that's the dream. And then, so what the Lord reveals here, mostly of this demon in flesh, they were Nephilim, and mostly they were so popular in this world. They are the very most popular, and mostly of them, they are really single. Yes, they are single, because they what they are doing here is only to distract people and to lead people into sin, to lead people into destruction, to destroy humanity. That's their goal. And I'm not gonna share what I saw. Also some artists and popular people here in the Philippines. They were mostly really like popular. You can see in TV or in social media. Mostly of them were so popular. I mean, they were so popular, and you can really see that they are, famous, and at the same time they are beautiful and handsome looking. So beware. That's my dream. If I'm painting her to be to the Lord.